Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm making flower with mica powders only. So what I'm doing here is I have mixed my resin, and this is craft resin by the way, and I have a discount code available in my description for you if you like to purchase. So what I'm doing here is I am just adding the resin to the mold after mixing, and I will be dividing into 4 cups, and I will be mixing my colors into these containers. So around, you can say, I'm having 20 ml of resin in each cup here. So this is a low viscosity resin, and it's so far I'm loving it. I have used it in past as well, and I do make Lorimer effect with this resin, and it comes out amazing. So I have a few videos on that technique as well. So now I'm just pouring the remaining resin into the mold. So this is the mica powder set by the craft resin, and it has variety of colors, or 30 vibrant colors, and there are so many to choose from. So I am going with the color scheme here. First I thought I will be making a peacock flower, then when I saw these so many colors, I thought just go with the flow and select few colors. That was a bit difficult to me to select which one, so that's what I will be doing here. So I was confused and selecting the color, and I had to add golden, blue, pink, purple, and green. So the colors, there were so many shades, so I was just selecting the one that I wanted. So I ended up with these 4. So here, actually these are 5, not 4, because I was not settling on 4 colors. So we will manage to scoop some resin from all the cups. So I will be adding a hint. So I have taken a 5th cup here, and I will be scooping a little resin from all of them, because you actually don't need a lot of resin for adding and making petals. It should be just little resin if you're making one coaster. If you're making more than one, then you need more. So here I was just opening the packets and adding 1 little teaspoon of the mica that comes with the craft resin set. And first of all, I'm just adding them to the resin, and later on I will be mixing them. So almost these all are mixed now, and I have waited around 25 minutes, and after 25 minutes I am making my flower. And make sure your area is level, because you don't want your flower to move here and there. And now I will be adding some gold foil into the center, and then again, really up to you, whatever you like to add into the center. You can add crushed beads, you can add gold foils, so it's really up to you. So here I'm just arranging it. So for making flower, your honey, I'm saying your resin should be honey like consistency, because it should be thick. Because recently I posted my flower into few Facebook groups, and people were very much asking that how I achieved it. So I'm really no expert in making flowers, but after learning a lot, I came through that you have to have a honey like consistency, meaning you have a thick resin, but it shouldn't be so thick that your resin don't move, but it's just a fine link between the thick resin and flowy resin. So my resin is ready now, and what I will be doing is I will be going through the circle technique here. I will be doing outlines in all these colors. So just try to avoid the blobs. That's my main concern here. So when I'm pouring, I try to be very careful, because I don't want blobs here. Although I will get some, because when you're ending here, you get a blob. So I might try to correct it later on. So here I'm just looking for the color selection, that which one goes after which. So you can see my resin is thick by pouring, and it's not moving. How the lines are still there, but you will see that they will later on spread. So yeah, I tried by putting up my finger, but still I got some blobs here. Just to let you know again that you can see it is taking some time for my resin to come out. So here I'm making another one. And you can see then again I had a little bit of flop. And now I'm adding my green color. So something funny happened here. I forgot totally the blue one and I thought the colors are done now. So I will be making petals. So now you can see that I am trying to make petals from those area where I have blobs, because I want to change that. Otherwise I will be getting a very blobby effect. And slowly I'm just making the resin, the petals. So again, just to remind you that I have taken craft resin here and I mixed, it's a low viscosity resin, and I waited 25 minutes and now I did start the pouring, and after that now I'm making the petals. So this is, I think, now enough, because I don't want to make so many petals, just few, and want to see how it blooms. And still I don't remember that I haven't used the blue yet. So I'm just correcting the lines you can see I had. After a little while, thankfully, I remember that there is blue as well. So instead of doing a circle, now I will be holding my dotting tool and I will be making a hand-drawn petal here, because at this point I can't do the circular one. So I'm just drawing the petals. So taking little bit onto my tool and I'm just making here, you can see. All done now, and I leave this to cure. So this is the next day and you can see it has been bloomed so amazing and I'm loving it. The back is always amazing, but you have to see the front, what has happened to the front. Sometimes flowers are so beautiful from the back and when you turn them, oh my god, they are just blobby. So let's see. Yep, I'm a bit afraid, but I'm so happy how it turned out. You can see I can see some you can see there is a blob on the green one and the golden one. That was the thing I was telling you, but overall the flower turned out amazing. So I don't mind a bit off, because this is handmade and we are not machines. So this is something natural, but overall it turned out amazing and I'm loving it. So now it's a decision of doing whether to do it black background or leave as it is. So here I'm seeing that the black is looking good. By the way, this is my Van Gogh inspired flower coaster that I made. I will link that tutorial if you like to see. So I think I will be doing a black background here. You can do any dark background, but I love black, so I simply just coated black resin on the bottom here and it's all been cured. And now I will be doing a top coat here that is really necessary, and you can see how the flower will be emerging out as I will be pouring the resin. So after pouring the resin, what I do is I use my heat gun and I move the resin, so in this way I don't get any bubbles, and plus it do covers. I'm really happy how this flower turned out. I don't think so I have done any mica flower, only the mica flower, because whenever you add white to any color, anything, it do makes a flower. So this is just the mica powder. So let's see how it turned out. So this is the final look, and already you can see the colors are so vibrant, and I am so happy that I have chosen the color wisely. Otherwise, so color combination is another important thing to consider when you're making flowers or any other creations. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. And also thank you so much for my previous video. I had some glitches and I had to delete 2 times, and I was getting so many comments, so I'm so sorry about that. But this is something technical that was not in my hands. So but again, thank you so much for your love and support, always your kindness. You all are so amazing. So much love and light to all of you. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.